Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to take a look at a tool that lets you create sound effects.
Once upon a time, there was a big bad wolf.
With just a prompt. It will be really handy if you are a video editor. If you want any specific sound that you are not able to find, you can use it to create that. Not only that, if you are a teacher or a parent, you can use this tool to create interactive and really engaging story, which is like an audio form, where it lets you create voiceovers in different forms, like a narrator, a character. They act out the lines, and you can use the sound effects option to create the atmosphere, like bustling of trees and crickets and everything. But let's try a science fiction story to see what are the other capabilities.
Oh no, the engine isn't supposed to sound like that.
Have you tried tightening the quantum flux modulator?
Let me try that. Nope, no dice.
Have you properly aligned the dimensional rift generator?
No, I haven't. I'll go try that. Rats, still broken.
What about priming the ether vortex compressor?
So like this, it has a lot of audio sounds that you can create. The name of the tool is called Audio Box, and it is by Meta. It's an experimental feature. Once you visit the page, you are given an option to create 4 options. So here I'll create a classic tale, which is like a bedtime story. You can see there are few options to add speeches and sound effects. You can play it. So let's start.
Once upon a time, there was a big bad wolf. The wolf lived all alone in the forest.
What sorts of sounds are in the forest? Try pressing Add Sound Effect to create some forest sounds. Press stop and try it now.
So you can click on this one, and as it has instructed, we can put crickets and jungle sounds which are scary. Gives you 2 options. So the first one is very subtle and muffled one. This one is better, so I'll select it for my story. So like this, you can start creating. To add a speech, you have to create here. There are 4 voices that you can choose from, and you can even create a new voice. If you want a really specific style of voice and tone, you can name it and give it a description. Otherwise, you can just record your own audio and create a voice that will be used to create the voiceover. So if you are an editor, you can directly use this sound effects option and download from here. But if you want to create an entire story, whether it's for a classroom where you want to teach something to the children, or a bedtime story, you can use ChatGPT's help for that. So the prompt goes like this. The rule is that we have 4 voice actors. Sound design takes like instruction of 10 to 250 characters. I'll put this description, this entire prompt in the description. I have given it instructions related to how it should use. Either it should describe a scene, and at the end I have asked it to either create a 5-minute or a 1-minute story. Based on that, I'll select it. And lastly, it should ask me what is the personality of a child and what he or she likes. So it has asked me, so I'll give it a persona child, and then let's see how it creates. I have given the name of the kid. He likes cars and cats. He is adventurous in nature and needs the story in magical domain. So it has given an outline. So I'll just copy this and create first narrator's voice and create an example.
Once upon a time, in a world filled with wonders, a boy named Anurag loved...
So I can select the second one and add it. The maximum length it allows is 1 minute 20 seconds, but you can create multiple of tracks like these and stitch it together. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.